कर रहे हो? With whom are you talking? With whom are you talking? मैं अपनी पत्नी से बात कर रहा हूँ. I'm talking to my wife. I'm talking to my wife. तुम्हारा जन्मदिन कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? ये 12 दिसंबर को है. It's on 12th of December. It's on 12th of December. तुम वापस कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? मैं आज रात तक आ जाऊंगा. I'll come by tonight. I'll come by tonight. बाथरूम कहाँ है? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? ये बाईं ओर है. It's on the left. It's on the left. तुमने इतनी देर क्यों कर दी? Why are you so late? Why are you so late? मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस गया था. I was stuck in traffic. I was stuck in traffic. तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? क्योंकि तुमने मुझे रुलाया. Because you made me cry. Because you made me cry. ये कैसे संभव है? How's that possible? How's that possible? मैं भी हैरान हूँ. I'm shocked too. I'm shocked too. ये कैसे हुआ? How did this happen? How did this happen? ये एक रोड हादसा था. It was a road accident. It was a road accident. क्या मैं राहुल से बात कर सकती हूँ? Can I speak to Rahul? Can I speak to Rahul? हाँ, बिल्कुल. Yes, sure. Yes, sure. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Could you give me a hand? Could you give me a hand? ज़रूर, क्यों नहीं? Of course, why not? Of course, why not? क्या तुम्हारे पास मेरा मोबाइल है? Do you have my mobile? Do you have my mobile? नहीं, मेरे पास नहीं है. No, I don't have. No, I don't have. क्या मैं वहाँ जा सकता हूँ? Can I go there? Can I go there? हाँ, तुम जा सकते हो. Yes, you can go. Yes, you can go. तुम्हें चोट कैसे लगी? How did you hurt yourself? How did you hurt yourself? मैं बाइक से गिर गया. I fell off the bike. I fell off the bike. वह आदमी कौन है? Who's that man? Who's that man? वह मेरा दोस्त है. He is my friend. He is my friend. वह कब पहुंच रही है? When's she arriving? When is she arriving? बस आधे घंटे में. In just half an hour. In just half an hour. तुम्हारे इम्तिहान कब है? When are your exams? When are your exams? इम्तिहान अगले हफ्ते से शुरू हो रहे हैं. Exams are starting from next week. Exams are starting from next week. आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live? Where do you live? मैं चंदा कॉलोनी में रहता हूँ. I live in चंदा कॉलोनी. I live in चंदा कॉलोनी। इंटरनेट क्यों नहीं चल रहा? Why is the internet down? Why is the internet down? शायद मौसम की वजह से। Maybe due to the weather. Maybe due to the weather. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मुझे बुखार है। I have fever. I have fever. तुम रो क्यों रही हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? उसने मुझे धोखा दिया। He cheated on me. He cheated on me. आप अकेले सफर कैसे करोगे? How will you travel alone? How will you travel alone? मुझे इसकी आदत है। I'm habitual of this. I'm habitual of this. तुम्हें चोट कैसे लगी? How did you hurt yourself? How did you hurt yourself? मैं बाथरूम से फिसल गई थी। I slept in the bathroom. I slept in the bathroom. क्या आप थोड़े चावल लेना चाहोगे? Would you like some rice? Would you like some rice? नहीं, मेरा पेट भर गया। No, I'm full. No, I'm full. क्या मैं तुम्हारा पेन ले सकता हूँ? Could I borrow your pen? Could I borrow your pen? हाँ, ये लो। Sure, take it. Sure, take it. क्या उसे बहुत काम है? Does he have a lot of work? Does he have a lot of work? हाँ, वो बहुत व्यस्त है। Yes, he is very busy. Yes, he is very busy. क्या आपके पास चार्जर है? Do you have a charger? Do you have a charger? नहीं, मैं साथ लेकर नहीं आई। No, I didn't bring with me. No, I didn't bring with me. कौन है वो गोरी लड़की? Who's that fair girl? Who's that fair girl? वो मेरी बहन है। She is my sister. She is my sister. पार्टी में कौन-कौन आ रहा है? Who all are coming to the party? Who all are coming to the party? सभी दोस्त आ रहे हैं। All the friends are coming. All the friends are coming. क्या तुम्हें उसका नाम याद है? Do you remember her name? Do you remember her name? मुझे नहीं याद। I don't remember. I don't remember. तुम अपना कमरा कब साफ करोगे? When will you clean your room? When will you clean your room? बाद में करूँगा। I'll do it later. I will do it later. सबसे नजदीक ATM कहाँ है? Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? वो रहा। There it is. जब आप इशारा करके बोलते हो वो रहा। There it is. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? मैं बाजार में हूँ। I'm in the market. I'm in the market. तुम खा क्यों नहीं रही हो? Why are you not eating? Why are you not eating? मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा। I'm not feeling good. I'm not feeling good. तुम काम कहाँ करते हो? Where do you work? Where do you work? मैं बैंक में काम करता हूँ। I work in bank. I work in bank. इस ड्रेस का दाम क्या है? What is the price of this dress? What is the price of this dress? ये 1300 रुपए की है। Its price is rupees 1300. Its price is ₹1300. क्या तुम दरवाजा बंद करोगे? Would you shut the door? Would you shut the door? हाँ, मैं कर दूंगा. Yes, I will do. Yes, I will do. क्या आपके पास बात करने के लिए समय है? Do you have time to talk? Do you have time to talk? हम थोड़ी देर में बात करते हैं. We'll talk in a while. We'll talk in a while.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.